Marte daw siya. Oh, akala nyo kung Marte, mas Marte yan. They think I'm the arty one. Mas Marte yan. Okay.
Bom dia. Good morning.
Bon dia.
Buonasera. Ohayo gozaimasu.
Ohayo gozaimasu. Minasan, ohayo gozaimasu.
Oh my God.
What? That's how the Japanese talk. Kala nyo, marunong ako mag-Japanese. Kala nyo si Yolo lang marunong mag-Japanese. Beatriz, what is good morning in Portuguese? Ha? Uy, nothing. Bon dia. What is good morning in German?
Ja, guten Morgen.
Utin mo daw, Morgan.
Morgan is a brand.
It's a brand. My daughter's only about a brand.
With no brand.
So yan, we are going to the zoo. No, we are going to buy
We maybe see some monkeys, yes.
sand. Kasi may gagawin ako sa likod ng bahay. Hindi ko na i-vlog yun. Pero may gagawin ako doon. So we need to buy sand kasi nagamit ko na lahat ng sands sa bahay, sa loob. Dahil may ginawa din ako sa loob. Hindi ko lahat po na ginagawa. Kaya yung vlog natin ay kasi yung editing, ang paggawa, hindi naman ako wala naman akong videographer. Baka yung husband ko will apply someday for videographer, much better. So yun, so I'm doing something sa bahay kasi summer nga kailangan din natin. So tapos yung menstruation natin, makakabanat na ulit tayo ng paggawa ng mga kung ano-ano. So anyway, we're going to buy sand. This time dahil may semento pa kami. May pa kaming semento. Huwag nyo yung kilay ko, hindi ako nagkilay today. Ganyan yung kilay ko pag walang colorete.
How do you say it in Ilonggo?
Which one?
Cement.
Semento.
Cement.
Semento also.
And in Tagalog?
Semento. Uy, he's flying. Wow.
Lola.
Lola eh. Diyos
Attached
me, you God.
position, sitting at that face.
Kakatakot mga tao dito mag-drive eh.
Uy!
Diyos me, yo. So, after that, what are we going to do? We're going to drop by Lola?
Yeah, it's only fast, like dog.
Fast
Only for you time to pick up the green beans.
String beans.
String beans. And
String beans?
To talk with Lola.
Okay. String beans, dahil yung si Lola nga, excited na pick upin tayo ng string beans. Pero hindi ako watching our videos. Don't say that.
He's watching our video.
Yes, he's watching videos. Someone is,
Reporting, yes.
he is updated. He updated yung hindi siya nakain pero
That's
updated
really
yun.
good that you updated.
Yeah, updated siya. Kaya yung last time ayun yung pumunta, she don't want to go to our house because he knows that we do something in our house. Next days we're going to pick up pine cones too.
Yeah.
So ayan, so punta tayo doon. Kita nyo na yung hikilay ko pag walang manipis talaga. So raw face yan pag ganyan. Kailangan natin mag-makeup. Pabili tayo ng Sunday. We just finished our breakfast.
You have to make it before it gets hot.
Kasi we have forecast natin dito is 32 degrees. So pag 32 po, you have to expect that it will add plus 5, minimum 5 degrees yung increase. So it might be reach 37 to 40. Ganon po yan dito. So sa Lisbon, ang forecast is 37. So expect na kayo magiging 40 plus yun doon. Uy, wala na akong battery. Battery is gone.
It's always something you have to remember to put it charging overnight in the morning.
No, I only have to change it. It's okay. I still have something to video at least before it will be exhausted.
Only if you know animals there.
It's nice there to make the wall.
Yeah.
Have to make the wall like that too.
Yeah.
Like a stone.
Yeah. Why not?
No. So ganito dito kami kumukuha ng mga pine cones. Yan. This is privately owned, pero you are free naman to kuha. You will be thankful if you will pick up those pine cones. It might cost sometimes
Fire. Yes. Especially pine cones that just fell.
Yeah, pine cones as a juice that easily to scattered fire when it's burnt. So no. So this is the area of our
Taxi driver.
This is his lands there. One of his lands. Kala nyo taxi driver, mayaman yan. Much money yan. Huh.
Oh.
Has more land than you can imagine.
Oh yeah, that's for sure.
Wait for that electric vehicle.
Electric vehicle.
That electric vehicle.
Yeah, we will join. This is going to industrial area, guys. Yan, mga ganyan. So, maganda dito. Puno kami dito sa pine trees. Doon may mga stand doon. Doon lang tayo kukuha.
Our
Libre
area
pa.
here is the biggest pine tree area in Portugal.
Really?
Yes.
Wait, what
Biggest pine tree forest is here.
Pine tree forest in Portugal. That's why we really have a nice quality of air here.
Yeah.
can't see.
Green palagi yung air quality namin dito. Pero pag may mga ano naman, how do you call that, the pollens, di pollen grains din.
Sorry, toilet.
They filter a lot of the trees.
Oo.
Maybe
Ganon.
worse.
So yeah. Yan sana ako bibili tayo. Vista Alegris Atlantis. Yan, kita nyo.
Nice.
Ayan, Loja di
products.
Fabrica. Yeah.
Very nice products. Yeah.
Let's check their time to time. Maybe they have a new product there.
For sure.
Maganda yung mga plates nila dun. Mga designs. Yan, industrial area dito. So, we are home. We are home. Umuwing bigo. Uwing bigo. Dahil walang open na store. Kaya hindi kami nakabili ng aming kailanganin na sand. So, wala. Nagyan ulit tayo ng chicken. Dumaan kami sa kanila kasi nag-harvest kami ng string beans. So, ito, fresh string beans at saka tomato. So, nanghingi ako ng tomato dahil yung tomato hindi pa hinog. Luto yung silunggo eh. So, mas gusto ko ganito lang yung tomato. Hindi pa masyado hinog. So, yun. Ito yung binigay. Kumuha kami para pang salad namin today. And, actually, si Beatrice at saka yung lola yung nag-pick up ng beans. Ito yung figs. Kami yung nanguha ni Beatrice. So, ito. I'm going to put this. Dito na siguro. Hugasan ko muna siguro to. So, ito. Ito yung fig natin, guys. Yan. Tapos, yan. Hugasan natin. So, pag pinitas natin to, hinog na talaga siya pag pinipitas sa puno. Ready to eat. So, ayan. Tapos, try natin to. Yung, hinog na talaga siya. Hinog, soft na yun. Ito siya. Try natin. One of my favorite fruit. Alam niyo anong lasa dito? Parang apple siya. Ayan. Masarap. Nakakabusog siya. Alam niyo ang perfect nito na drink? Red wine. Sarap.
Whoa. Hannigan?
So, if you're hungry, nasa Bible tong yung fig na to Kasi nga, namitas si Beatrice kami ng beans. So, yun.
Whoa.
Sarap.
Look at this. God. I bet our shape.
Alam ko, bakit yung husband ko hindi kumakain ito? Tanungin ko nga.
Whoa.
Tanungin nga natin, ba't hindi kumakain yung isa? Hello, Beatrice! What are you playing, baby?
Big Annie.
Kiss mama.
Now, do you like this Pontiac?
Pontiac? What is Pontiac?
It's also a brand.
Beatrice knows a lot of brands, of
Mama,
course.
look at all these Porsches.
Oh, of course. Tanungin ko nga yung asawa ko. Ito guys, isa pa to sa ikukota natin kainin, yung pears. So, ito, naman, soft na Matamis. Pagaling sa puno. Tamis. Ayun, oh. Yan. Kukutahin ko pa to. Hindi pag ano na. Ayokong kumain ng hindi hinog. Soft na. Kasi malaman mo naman yun eh. Pag hinog na ganun. Pag pislit mo ba, soft na. Yes, baby?
Open here.
Mm.
A very fast watch.
Okay.
Want to see it?
Okay. I will ask Papa first. My love, why are you not eating fig? I want to know.
I only eat dry fig.
You only eat dried
When
fig.
it's fresh for me, the texture, I don't like the texture.
You don't
of
like the
fig
texture?
Because it has that seeds inside. If it's a kiwi, it's okay, but the fig itself, I like it dry, but I don't like it when it's fresh.
Okay. Marte daw siya. Oh, akala nyo kung Marte, mas Marte yan. They think I'm the arty one. Mas Marte yan. We count to food. Fish? Di yan kumakain ng fish na may tinik. Kaya wag kayo ano na Marte-arte ako. Hindi ako Marte. Galing tayo, hindi naman tayo mayaman dati. Kung bakit ngayon, mayaman na ba? Ang sarap ng pears. Maliit siya. Sobrang dami. Lola, we're not able to show me the tree of the pears na nagbigay. Isang tree lang daw to nagbigay ng ano sa amin.
Now you want to see maybe
Sobrang dami.
Lamborghini?
Yeah?
It's Dad's Lamborghini.
Lamborghini.
Ayan. Mama,
Saya.
you like this too, the huracan? And Tuo?
So, ayan. Ako'y maghuhugas. Magpe-prepare ng lunch. Ay, hindi ko pa alam anong gagawin natin sa lunch. As far as I know. Kasi ayaw nang kumain ng gulay eh. So, it means my husband will not like the tar apple. The tar apple is the same taste. Like the fig. Yes. Exactly the same. And the inside is almost the same. It's more milky. The tar apple is more milky, but it's the same taste and texture. So, ganyan. Alam nyo guys, daw akong lipstick. Sobrang init. That's the temperature outside. 37.6 degrees. 25.5 inside the house. So, kita nyo, ganyan yung difference ng temperature. Inside and outside the house, i-compare nyo. Nasa aircon temperature pa rin tayo kahit pa paano. 25. Yung labas 37. Sobrang init. Ayan. Beatrice is there. Playing her Minecraft. And Papa is there.
You guys will cool down here forever.
Why?
You guys can cool down here.
Really?
No, man, those are skeletons.
Skeletons?
But they enjoyed my...
Yeah? Okay. So we are home and we went to buy some groceries. We bought something. And magkano na nagastos natin. So we bought Beatrice since magsa-start na yung schooling. So binilhan na namin si Beatrice ng kanyang bag, school bag. So ito. So yeah. At least, binilhan siya namin kasi yung bag niya okay naman. But, yung backpack kasi, yung backpack before, provided by the government, nilagay namin sa trolley. Tapos yung trolley, nagsiseparate sa bag. So, this one is attached na siya. So, para na hindi na mano si Beatrice kasi alam mo yung bata pag tumatakbo-takbo. So, since she likes Gabi, ito yung binili namin sa kanya. Kasi binilhan lang namin ng trolley yung ano yun eh, yung provided ng government na bag last time. So, ganyan. So, yun. Ito yung ano natin. At least, we have this. Tapos, may mga ano na sa books. Mayroon nang binigay yung school na kung anong books yung bibilhin. So, ano na yun? How do you call that? Lola niya ang bibili ng mga...
Should we type there?
I will check again. Oo, that's why I want to put it properly. Because when Beatrice is running, you know, Beatrice is running. Beatrice is always
Like
running.
every kid in that age.
Yes. Normal naman yun. It's normal for that kid, for that age. So, yan, dahil yung anak namin ay tumatakbo-takbo for her safety na din. Di ba? Yan, binigyan na natin. So, yeah. Kasi, madami silang books. Tapos, minsan, nagdadala sila ng laptop provided ng government. So, much better na ito na. At yung ibang mga binili namin ay yung mag-11:30 na. I will start to prepare na again the lunch. Kasi mag-11:30 na nga. Ipakita ko muna. Yung ibang mga binili natin, bumili kami ng tinapay. Ito yung masarap na tinapay. 70 cents lang to. Pauli pa dyan. 70 cents na. This one. Laki, no? So, yung ganyan. Compare. Laki. Tapos, fresh pa. Tapos, pag-pick up ko, may init pa. So, I think I will... Then, yung husband ko, yung wallet niya andun dito. Tapos, bumili ako ng tinapay. Tinapay na naman. Sabi ko sa inyo, tinapay. Tinapay is life, eh. Bumili kami ng, din, milk. Oh, milk. At saka, pang snacks ni Beatrice dito sa bahay. Gelatin. At saka, pang snacks natin mamaya. Tapos, ito, pang snacks to ni Beatrice. She likes this one. This one is not sweet. Masarap siya para sa mga bata. Ano siya? Basta hindi siya sweet. Tapos we bought honey. Kasi yung binili ng father-in-law ko na honey is not enough for 1 month. So, bili kami ng another honey. Ganyan siya. Pag makita mo, yung bilog. Oh, that's real honey. And then, we bought Milka. Yan. And, ganito. Mimosa. We still have. Kaso, bumibili ako nito kasi, pag nakita ko yung sale, kasi nito, yung price nito is $254. $254, $59, something like that. Tapos, nakita ko $199. So, mga ganyan. Di ba 50 cents? Malaki na yon 50. I-times nyo. 5 times. So, yun. Bumibili ako. Sayang naman yung sale. Kaya minsan kahit mayroon pa dyan, nag-ano ako. We have a discount here. What do you call discount here? Jugumaish virus. So yan, ganyan na naman. Bumili na tayo kasi si Beatrice, may mga books naman tayo na, may mga books. Binigay na sila sa amin na list ng books. So yun. Ibigay namin din yun sa kanyang grandparents para makita nila kung last year kami yung bumili ng mga books ni Beatrice. So this year, bigay namin sa kanila. Diba? Para may ano naman. So, guys, i-grill ko to. Yung grill lang dito sa sa oven. Tapos, dito lang. Sa tutuhan. Tapos, ito po yung karne. Ayan, na-marinate ko na siya. Diba? Yan. Ano lang to? Garlic, pepper, salt, and pimento. Yun lang yung inano ko. Marinate natin. So, yan. Yun yung gagawin ko. So, yun yung magiging lunch natin. At saka, I will make salad as usual. Ito yung sa lunch natin. At saka, yeah, yun yung lunch natin. For today, I already cook rice. It's almost 12. So, kumakain naman kami ng 12:30. Inaantay ko lang yan kasi madali lang to. Soft na to yung meat na to. Madali yan lang to na gawin. So, pag naluto, mga 10 minutes before yan, maluto kasi may time naman yan. Yun. Gagawin natin to. Para hindi maano yung malamig yung meat. So, yun yung ginagawa natin dito. So, as much as possible dito kasi yung mga tao ayaw kumain ng malamig na pagkain. Sila dito ha. Once bumisita kayo sa mga bahay dito, invited dapat, syempre. So, pag bumisita kayo, while they are cooking, they will only cook or bake something for you on that day. Parang ganun. Or, sa akin naman, before kasi, syempre, yung mga frosting. Pero normally sila dito, pag bumisita kami, cook on the time na pupunta talaga kayo. Ganun sila dito. Hindi sila kumakain ng mga kagaya sa atin na malamig na, tapos lagay sa table. Hindi ganun yan dito. So, iba-iba po tayong culture. So, yan. Ito yung lunch natin for today. Yan, natuwa naman ako doon. Sa bahay ni Beatrice, natahi ko na siya. Para hindi naman yung back. So, ganyan. So, I'll make salad only. Tomato, cucumber and lettuce. Tapos, with a bit of, tawag nito, carrots. Tapos yun. Yun na yung lunch natin. Tapos, yung dessert namin is ice cream. We have a dessert ice cream. So, ganyan. Tapos, mamaya, sabi ko nga, magbe-bake sana ako ng kahapon. Kaso, pag mainit, ayokong mag-bake. Kasi nga, mainit dito sa bahay. Tapos, magbe-bake pa tayo. Lalong, sobrang init kasi yung forecast. So, ayokong mag-bake. So, gusto ko sana mag-bake ng banana cake kasi yung banana doon, nalanta na naman. Last time magtapon ako. So, ngayon magtatapon na naman ako kung hindi ko gagamitin yan. So, anyway, yeah. That's for our lunch for today. Yan. So, guys, ito na yung ginagawa natin sa beef. Yan. Ganyan lang siya. Diba? Yung matayong siya doon.
I don't like this.
So, I'm preparing the salad. So, this is our grilled beef. Well done.
Where do you eat?
And that one. And Beatrice, turn off your pot please because we're going to eat. Oh, we have more 5 minutes for the rice. Ito. Rice is 5 minutes pa. What is your problem? What is the problem, my baby? The pot is low bat.
No.
Because I don't want you to have it, so you can eat properly.
But
The food.
why?
Yeah, so we can
I'm not
finish.
entertained.
You're not entertained, so you don't want to be with mama and
In the
papa.
7 days, I will not be entertained.
Mm.
I will be frowning.
Frowning. You don't want. Okay, go away. Don't come to me, ah. Ayan, madami tayo ditong hinog na yung pears. Inunti-unti ko nang kainin at saka yung ito. Dalawa tayo ditong kasama kumain ito. Tayo nang kakain ito. Inunti-unti ko na din yan. So, kaya, yan na natin yung ating diet. So, Papa Ditsit,